A flat tire, a kitchen disaster, or lovesickness. It doesn't matter. Our business clients often have the reflex to call us first because they know that whatever the question, we are there to help them out. As an Orange business client, you can count on a dedicated team, managed by your account manager. Each team member knows exactly what you need. Whenever you call on us, we're there for you. Whether you want advice about your ICT roadmap, insight into your day-to-day operations, or advanced technical assistance, we are there to help you out at your office or anywhere else. The Business Experts team from Orange, another level of customer service.